Okay, so you know you like KFC, you like KFC fried chicken, right? There's also a variation like Korean KFC fried chicken. What's it called?
We call it, it's called danpungi.
Kanpongi, yes? But if I say kanpongi, you won't understand at all, right? I will understand. But yes, as soon as I mention that it's KFC fried chicken style, people immediately understand that it's like the Korean KFC. Now, how is it made? Can you explain?
Okay.
So let's see what the ingredients are.
Sorry, sir.
How much chicken did you take for this?
This chicken is 200 grams. 200 grams is our standard personal size. One piece. Soda soy.
Okay,
Dark soy. Not dark soy, regular soy, sir. Regular soy or night soy. This is pepper powder.
I'll lighten it with pepper powder.
This sake is similar to our cooking wine, and it helps to make the chicken juicy and flavorful.
Women use cooking wine.
Yes. A little cooking wine, and we add ginger garlic paste. This is garlic paste, and this is ginger paste.
This here is ginger paste, and over here is garlic paste. Yes.
We marinate it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. If you keep it for 15 to 20 minutes, then
It's good to marinate it for 15 to 20 minutes.
yes, it'll taste good.
Ahmedabad.
After that, we add a little bit of flour.
Just a little bit of flour.
Yes, yes.
So is this plain flour or what?
We take plain flour, and actually we also take garlic powder and onion powder. So we add these together, and then what?
Make it into a paste.
You can go ahead and add just a pinch of ginger garlic powder. Ginger garlic onion powder, that's it.
Nothing else.
We add this. We need to check a little. 1 by 1, 604. Day.
Dust it off and leave. You have ginger, garlic, and onion powder at home.
Yes, yes.
Don't mix corn flour
Yes.
because I have to supply it first.
It needs to be done for 5 to 10 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes. And which oil did you use?
Cooking oil. Regular.
Sunflower oil.
Deep fry the chicken in hot oil until it turns a beautiful golden brown color. For crispier results, fry longer. Yes, you can place it on leaves, add some salad on the side, and use dips like mayo. Additionally, you can sprinkle a little red chili powder on it to enhance the flavor. And you can also use some delicious barbecue sauce. Serve it just like this, and it will turn out to be absolutely superb. I came to Porigami with my family, and now I will surprise them with this fried chicken because they love KFC. But my,